Okay, Jim Carmody here with CT Business Solutions. I'm going to make a quick video about how to encrypt or Windows BitLocker your hard drive. I think I made a blog about it, but this is going to show you how. The importance of doing this is if your laptop is stolen and it's not encrypted, someone could simply take out the hard drive from the computer and just make it a big thumb drive into another computer, which I think I showed in my last video. So here is how you encrypt a hard drive. It's fairly simple to do, especially if you have Windows 10 Pro. It just kind of comes with it, no extra software purchase needed. So all you have to do is we're going to open up File Explorer. We are going to go to your C drive. Got all kinds of stuff going on here. But this PC, you find your C drive, right click, then the option comes to turn on BitLocker. It's basically Windows version of encrypting your hard drive. Okay, starting it. All right, now you want to save your recovery key. This is important. Just becomes important later that you want in certain situations. And maybe I'll have time to explain that. But you want to, you got to kind of trick it, because if you try to save a file to your local drive, it's going to be like, that's not good. You want to, because you want to save it outside your hard drive. But I kind of trick it, and basically I'm going to quote unquote print the recovery key. But what I'm going to do is print to a PDF. Right, I got a Q PDF writer here. Now, maybe make life easier, you pop a thumb drive in and just actually save the file to the thumb drive if this is confusing you. But this is kind of, I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'm quote unquote printing it. So I'm going to just, where I'm going to put it here is, I'm not sure QPDF was I'm going to put it in my OneDrive. So that's essentially a cloud drive. So it's not going to just be on my hard drive. It's going to go to the cloud. So if something comes wrong with this hard drive and I need to get the recovery key, I can get it off another computer or off the web. So it's not just going to be on my hard drive. So save it there. There you go. Now you can move on with the encryption process. You get choices here. I really don't know how much it matters, but let's just do encrypt the entire drive. Slower, but best for PCs and drives already in use. That's applicable to me. So we're going to go with that one. Go for new encryption mode. And we're going to run BitLocker system check. Yeah, just a fail-safe mechanism. We'll take our time, make sure we do it right, because you can see you'll still be able to use the computer while this is going on. So it's not really, you got to sit here and wait for it. Okay, now you got a little message, you got to restart before this whole thing begins. So let's restart. And restart. And that's it. Yep, it's going to be starting to encrypt now. You can go back and check, right-click on that C drive just to make sure it's BitLockered. That recovery key comes in handy if the computer detects any kind of hardware change. It won't boot up. It'll say, hey, enter this recovery key, which does happen, not that often, but does happen. And, of course, you want to get in there. You want it to keep booting up. So you do want to be able to access that recovery key and put it in if needed. So that's it. It's important to do this, encrypt, because like I said, laptop is lost or stolen. You just don't want anybody to be able to use like a big thumb drive and get the data that's in there, because it's sensitive data, or medical data like electronic protected health information. So I think that just about does it. Thank you.